it's currently raining slash hailing in Ocean Grove. So this could be a really great opportunity. How about I leave you with the sloth? There you go, sloth. Hey, what do we got here? Ooh, look at this colour. Or some new wet weather gear from Plus Outdoors. Oh, I love a good opening. Sorry, I'm not very good at this. It's kind of really cool. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, I'll put it on and I'll take some footage and let you know. Very exciting. Alright. Oh, hey sloth. Check this out. Ooh, look at that. It's nice and light. Perfect for wet, haily conditions. So the sloth has looked after you. Thank you, Mr. Sloth. Thank you. Bloop, 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 bloop. And now it's stopped. And now I'm all foggy on the inside.